Malawi Brief.
If there is a fresh inquiry, I'm one of those people that they must start with. And I was there in Nkalango Yokwitima, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was there. And what made me so depressed, frustrated, because was that fact that when the plane went missing, most of our neighbors, ministers were there in Nkati. None of them came to the search that day. None of them showed up that day. None of them showed any sympathy. First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker, sir. I'm speaking from a point of pain. Pain because he was a mentor. Pain because he was our leader. Pain because he was the Vice President of the Republic of Malawi. Pain because I'm here standing today being called a doctor. There are so many questions that need answers. Yes. I was there that morning at the airport waiting for Dr. Saulos Kraus Chirima. I waited for hours to no avail. I was there when they said the plane was missing. I was there when we were told that it's been seen or it has been crashed in Chikangawa near a tower. I was there, honorable members. I was there when the search was commissioned. I was following behind the army cars and the police car that went for searching. I was there. We were using our phones to check on the roads. Where do you check ndege on the street? Where on earth? I was there, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was there when the search was called off at 8 p.m. I was there. Yet we are told the search was not called off. I was there driving back to Mzuzu behind an army car. I was there. If there is a fresh inquiry, I'm one of those people that they must start with.
Pamene Malawi anapita kuchisankho kukavotera boma la chipani cha DPP. Ana ndicho kukhulupiriro kuti bomalo lithetsa mavuto omweno ali mdziko muno. Chifukwa chilungamo chake nchonena kuti mavuto analipodi. Kale ndivuto la njala, mafuta galimoto, kati ndivuto la magetsi, madzi, mavuto analipo. Komano anthu ndiyana kuti kapena mwina tikavotere awa DPP wa kuti athetse mavuto amenewo. Ndi DPP ajabwera. Ndiye ndikumamva akuyankhulaso omwe kuti atangolowa kumene sitithana nazo chani sitingathana nazo panopa ndiye timawapempha kuti anthu anakuvoterani kuti muthetse mavuto wina asakunamize kunena kuti amangubwera kumene mukhala 2 months ayi lero sizoona nthawi ndinoyidzukani perekani zinthu zofunikira kwa anthu athandize na Malawi koma kuti noti anthu azirozana zala kuti ayayi tili mavuto anabweretsa ndi akongresi mavuto zinakhala motere pano asitingathe ayi mavuto azachuma mdziko muno akuoneka kumaliza ndiwo chifukwa ndomwe ali mboma ndi DPP ndi abwere aonekere kugulu kuti no akugwira ntchito ngosalizongo yankho.